Здравствуйте, привет. We will continue today with the gender of nouns and we will see some special cases. Let's start. From the previous lesson, you know that we have three genders and how we understand it. Is it a masculine, feminine, or neuter? We'll look at the end of the word. If it's a consonant, it's a masculine, on, а, я, feminine, она, о, е, оно, neuter. But some words end with the soft sign and then can be masculine or feminine. Those who are end with til, ar, they are masculine. Писатель, writer, словарь, dictionary. So these words are masculine. The words that end with ost, ov, sh, ch, j, they are feminine. For example, новость, news, любовь, love, ночь, night, вещь, thing. Он или она? So let's have a look at this table and let's say if it's он, masculine, or она, feminine. Строитель, builder. Тель, masculine. Церковь, church. Офь, feminine. Морковь, овь, carrot. Also feminine. Мышь, mouse, ш, feminine, она. Ложь, lie, ложь. Feminine, она. Календарь, calendar. Арь, masculine, он. Водитель, driver. Тель, masculine, он. Секретарь, secretary, арь, masculine, on. Yes, the word secretary, секретарь in Russian is a masculine. But not all words end with tel, ar, ost, and so on. So some of them have different letters in the end, and the last one is the soft sign. And in most of the case, this rule will help you. But in most of the case, we have to memorize the gender of such nouns that end with the soft sign. For example, at this level, for the beginner, you should remember just these words. День, дождь, a masculine, площадь, обувь, feminine. And interesting detail that shoes, обувь, is a singular noun in the Russian language. Exceptions. Мужчина, папа, дедушка, дядя. As you can see, they end with a or ya. And we would say that it's feminine, a, ya. But it's not feminine because obviously, for logic, it's masculine because they are all men. Man, dad, grandfather, uncle. So they are masculine. And кофе, кофе. Coffee is also a masculine. Don't confuse with cafe. Cafe is a coffee shop and it's a neuter noun. But coffee, 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 which you drink, is a masculine. Exceptions for neuter. Имя, name, время, time. That's all. Now let's go to practice and see you in the next lesson. Спасибо. До свидания. Пока.